Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Stripe payment in WooCommerce. Stripe is by far the most popular and widely used payment platform for securely accepting credit and debit card transactions on your WooCommerce online store. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have Stripe fully integrated within your WooCommerce store and ready to securely process real orders and revenue. So let's get started. So the very first step is installing and activating the official Stripe Payments plugin within your WordPress dashboard. This seamlessly connects all of Stripe's APIs and functionality with your WooCommerce installation. So to get it, simply log into your WordPress site and go to plugins and then add new. In the search bar, type in Stripe for WooCommerce, and then the plugin we need is called Stripe Payment Gateways for WooCommerce. Install and activate the plugin. You will now see it appear in your list of installed plugins. Activating this crucial tool registers all the required Stripe hooks, webhooks, and extensions necessary to interface Stripe with your WooCommerce checkout flow and the customer payments. With the plugin installed, we need to explicitly enable Stripe within the payment settings of WooCommerce. So go to WooCommerce and then the settings and then payments. In the payment section, you will see a list of all available payment gateways that WooCommerce supports. So simply locate Stripe in this list and toggle it on. If Stripe does not automatically appear, then try clicking the reload button to sync available gateways. With Stripe enabled, click the Manage button next to it to open the specific Stripe configuration screen. So for now, simply make sure that Stripe is set to enabled at the top. We're going to fill in the critical API credentials in the next step. Leaving Stripe disabled will prevent any Stripe payment methods from appearing at the checkout even if you enter the API keys, so be sure that it's enabled. And now for WooCommerce to actually process live charges and integrate with your Stripe account, we need to enter your unique Stripe API keys within the plugin settings. To access your API credentials, first go to stripe.com again and sign up for a free Stripe account if you don't already have one. Stripe is a completely free service until you begin actively processing charges. They make revenue by taking a small percentage of each one of the transactions. So once logged into your Stripe dashboard, click on Developers in the left sidebar, and then next click on API keys to reveal your two critical API keys, which are the publishable key and the secret key. So copy your unique publishable key and switch back to your WooCommerce Stripe settings window. Paste the publishable key into the corresponding field within the Stripe settings, and then go back to Stripe to grab your secret API key and paste that into the WooCommerce settings as well. Providing these two API keys is crucial for establishing the bridge between WooCommerce and your Stripe account. In addition to the API keys, there is still another step that we need to configure, which is a webhook endpoint within Stripe, so all the transaction updates can flow back into WooCommerce automatically. To set this up, go to Stripe dashboard and then Developers, Webhooks. Click the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook, and then switch back to your WooCommerce Stripe settings. Go down to the webhook section and copy the endpoint URL shown. Go back to Stripe, paste the copied webhook URL as I'm doing so, right into the endpoint URL field and click Add. This URL allows WooCommerce to receive instant notifications from Stripe whenever charges succeed or even fail. So under Events, check the boxes for charge succeeded and charge failed. Finally, click to reveal the signing secret and copy it. Paste this webhook secret into the corresponding field in the WooCommerce settings to secure the webhook from tampering. And that's it, the webhook is now configured and ready to send real-time payment notifications. Before sending live traffic to your website, I would highly recommend testing the Stripe transactions that are actually processing correctly through our WooCommerce integration. And the good news is that Stripe offers a sandbox test mode that simulates purchases without moving any real money. So you can test that mode out, and if you receive any errors, recheck your API keys and webhook configuration until test charges process properly before going live. Once you've confirmed that Stripe test transactions are completing correctly, you are ready to start processing live payments from real customers. To enable the live mode, simply uncheck the test mode box in your WooCommerce Stripe settings. All payments will now be routed through Stripe's production environment and out to actual customer credit card networks. And that is basically all you need to know to fully integrate Stripe into your live WooCommerce store for processing real payments securely. You should now be ready to start selling online and taking card payments seamlessly through Stripe integrated with WooCommerce. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.